Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Subaru Impreza. First, gather all your necessary tools and supplies. You'll need fresh engine oil, a new oil filter, a drain pan, a wrench, and a funnel. Always prioritize safety by using jack stands to support your vehicle securely before you begin any work underneath. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and efficient. Now, let's drain the old oil. It helps to warm up the engine for a few minutes, as warm oil drains more easily. Locate the oil drain plug, usually at the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly underneath it. Carefully remove the plug and allow all the old oil to drain out completely into the pan. This step is crucial for a clean oil change. With the old oil drained, it's time for the filter. Use an oil filter wrench to remove the old filter, being mindful of any residual oil. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This ensures a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it about a quarter turn more. Double-check that the old gasket isn't stuck on the engine block. Finally, replace the oil drain plug and tighten it securely. Now, using a funnel, carefully pour the recommended amount of new engine oil into the oil fill cap. Once filled, check the oil level using the dipstick. Start the engine and let it run for a minute or two, then shut it off and recheck the oil level. Top off if necessary, and you're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.